Peruvian Regions. Hello, my name is Aleska. Peru has 4 regions: the coast, the highland, the jungle, GRADO. Thank you.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Rodrigo.
Where are you from, Rodrigo?
I am from Argentina,
What is the capital of your country?
Buenos Aires.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Eric.
Where are you from?
I am from Bolivia,
What is the capital of your country?
Sucre.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Byron.
Where are you from, Byron?
I am from Brazil,
What is the capital of your country?
Brasilia.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Fabiane.
Fabiane, where are you from?
I am from Chile,
What is the capital of your country?
Santiago de Chile.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Angelo.
Where are you from?
I am from Colombia,
What is the capital of your country?
Bogotá.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is André.
Where are you from?
I am from Ecuador,
What is the capital of your country?
Quito.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Jorge.
Where are you from, Jorge?
I am from Paraguay,
What is the capital of your country?
Asunción.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Takmar.
Where are you from, Dagmar?
I am from Peru,
What is the capital of your country?
Lima.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Jafet.
Where are you from, Jafet?
I am from Uruguay,
What is the capital of your country?
Montevideo.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Maria.
Where are you from?
I am from Venezuela,
What is the capital of your country?
Caracas. Hello, I am Cielo, and this is my friend Mia. Hello, everyone. Do you remember the personal pronouns? ¿Recuerdan los pronombres personales en inglés? Yes, of course. Which are they? I, you, he, she, it, they, you, we. Excellent, Mia. Today we are to talk about the famous verb to be. Hoy les hablaremos del famoso verbo to be. ¿Qué es el verbo to be? Pues es el verbo ser o estar. ¿Cómo y cuándo lo utilizamos? El verbo to be lo utilizamos para hablar sobre nombres, edades, emociones, estados, nacionalidades, profesiones o estado civil. Exactly. Para usar el verbo to be debemos saber la correcta conjugación y cómo utilizarlo. Así es. ¿Recuerdas la correcta conjugación? Yes. Guys. Son 3. Am, is, are. Y les diré de la forma correcta. I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, they are, we are. Great, Mia. Citemos algunos ejemplos para entenderlo mejor. Good idea, Cielo. ¿Cómo diríamos él es un arquitecto en inglés? He is an architect. Good. ¿Cómo diríamos nosotros somos estudiantes en inglés? We are students. Right. ¿Cómo diríamos ellos son doctores en inglés? They are doctors. ¿Cómo diríamos yo soy feliz en inglés? I am happy. Good. ¿Y cómo diríamos tú estás casado en inglés? You are married. Amazing. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget practice English. Bye bye, guys. Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Kaori Yasumi Sarkenda Eva John Cheese, 67 years old. Also cheese and singer, and sorry right. Cheese from Lima and Peruvian. In addition, cheese happy. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Anthony. I'm going to talk about Paolo Guerrero. He is Paolo Guerrero. He is 36 years old. He is soccer player. Also, he is happy. He is from Peru. He is Peruvian. In addition, he is forward. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Antonella Maciel Janco, and today I will talk about Sambo Cabero. He is Arturo Cabero Velázquez. He is a teacher, singer of Creole, Afro-Peruvian, and waltz music. He is 68 years old. He is Peruvian. He is divorced. She loves his music. Thanks. Hello, my name is Maria Rebecca. I am going to talk about Peruvian people. Milena Huerto. She is Milena Huerto. She is 23 years old. Also, she is singer and songwriter. She is from Lima. She is Peruvian. In addition, she is single and happy to write songs. Thank you.